Hey there, foodies! Today, we're diving into a grainy subject that has sparked debates in kitchens and nutrition forums alike. Is brown rice really the crown jewel of health, or has white rice been unfairly cast aside? Let's cook up some facts and find out. Rice is more than just a side dish. It's a staple for billions, with over 40,000 varieties. But when it comes to health, brown and white rice are the main contenders in the ring. Brown rice is like the whole wheat bread of the rice world. It's a whole grain, which means it keeps its bran and germ, giving it a nutritional punch with more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. But before you ditch white rice, let's not forget that brown rice comes with a side of arsenic, yes, the heavy metal. And it's not the rock and roll kind. Brown rice has about 80% more arsenic than its paler pal. And while it's not a concert for concern unless you're on a rice-exclusive tour, it's something to chew on. Brown rice might have more minerals, but thanks to phytic acid, it's like having a treasure chest without the key. This compound binds to minerals, making it harder for your body to absorb them. And let's talk blood sugar, folks. Brown rice is the tortoise in this race, slow and steady, while white rice is the hare, quick to spike your sugar levels. But remember, we rarely eat rice solo. Pair it with protein, fats, and veggies, and you've got a balanced meal that keeps your blood sugar in harmony. So, what's the verdict? It's not about good or bad grains, it's about choice and balance. Whether you're team brown or white, it's all about enjoying your food in a way that's good for you and delicious. That's it for today's grainy debate. Keep it balanced, keep it tasty, and as always, keep it fun. Like an amp, subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay wholesome.